Hello, Aurora.
Hello.
Okay, how are you today?
Great.
Okay. Can we start now, Aurora?
Yes.
Okay. I will start to share my screen. Just wait. Uh, Here we go. Okay. Can you see my screen now, Aurora?
No. When actually?
Well, but now.
Oh, yes. Yeah, I
Oh,
can.
yeah. Today we'll learn about creating fast clicker game. Do you know fast clicker game?
It's like where you click fastly. You
Yeah.
click.
You just need to click uh a card like that. Just need to fast, yeah. Now,
Yeah.
if you see here, part one. So to create the fast clicker game, we need more than one lesson. There are three parts to create the fast clicker. So we will discuss it 3 weeks. Yeah. Okay, what the fast clicker means, like this. Yeah. The goal is to the program the functionality of the fast clicker game. Expected loop of the game like this. So there are four cards here. Uh, One of the cards will display click, and then the click will move randomly. Yeah, shuffle. You just need to click the text. Yeah, the card with text. Yeah. Okay. If you
Okay.
correct click, the point will add one. Yeah. If you correct. Yeah. If you pass, click. But if you click in the blank card, your point will decrease one. Your point will decrease one. And then the time is still running around 10 seconds. You just need to get 5 points less than 10 seconds. Yeah. The player loses if they don't manage to score 5 points in 10 seconds. Yeah. The player loses. Wait, next slide. Requirement. There are four card sprites in the scene. The click label appears on them in a random manner. Yeah, the players is meant to click on the card with the label before it disappears. The ability to click on the cards with the mouse. Yeah, click on the card with the mouse. Present in the scene. The elapsed time counter a level lasts for 10 seconds. The point scored counter. 5 points are needed. The player wins if they manage to click 5 times in 10 seconds on the click label. Otherwise, the player loses. Okay. So, project work. You already know the professional developer plan their work on large project using the following technique. Mind map, checklist, presentation of the results. Okay, the first one, we will go to the mind maps. Okay. Uh, Planning work, mind maps. Let's make a mind map based on the terms of reference, like this. Okay. I will. Can you see the mind map, or the text is too small?
Yes.
Okay. Nah, fast clicker, the game. There are two branches, formalization and for functional. Okay. Formalization, there are three branches. Uh, for the first one is sprite card. Spread card, yeah, colored rectangle with border, yeah, colored rectangle with border, and then inscription. Do you know inscription?
No.
Like text in the cards, yeah.
Oh,
Click,
okay.
and then statistic counter. There are two branch here. The first one is the time at the top left, and then point scored at the top right. Okay. And then final letters, the results, there are two brands, victory and lose. When victory will display you won, and then if you lose the game, will appear time is up. Okay. For the functional, there are two events here. Event click on the card with a click text. Yeah. If the card there is a text on the card, it will at a point and then highlight green. Okay, let's see. If you wait, uh, if you click on the card with click text, it will highlight green, and then your point will increase one. Wait,
Okay.
green, yeah, like that. Yeah, and then even click on an empty card. Yeah, there is no click text. Will highlight right, and then subtract a point. Your point will decrease. Okay, let's start to create the mind map first. I will screenshot the picture. Wait, I will send you the screenshot. You can see your meeting chat, and then you can start to create mind map here, Aura. Wait.
Where?
By game development, lesson 3, number 4. Yeah, number
Okay.
1. Okay. Your turn to share your screen, Aurora.
Okay. Wait.
Yeah,
Uh, this one?
yeah.
Oh,
Mm-mm.
for
Just
PlayStation.
oh,
Wait, what? How do
fast
you
click again. Just click double click. Yeah,
fast clicker?
yeah. Okay.
Okay.
You can
And
see my
then,
screenshot for your reference.
okay. Function. Wait. Wait, what? Where this? Uh, okay. And then sprite card. Then, eh, Okay.
Don't forget to save your mind map.
Where is this?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
I will stop your share screen. Now my turn to share my screen again. Okay. Let's go back. After we create mind map. Ah. Okay. After we create mind map, let's go to the second creating the checklist. Yeah. Task list. Okay. Here for the checklist today. Uh, we need to create a game scene with the size of 500 times 500. Yeah. Set the scene's background color using the RGB palette. Yeah. You can choose your own color. You can set it red, yellow, and so on. And then create a game timer using by game time clock. And then create a game loop and set the frame rate to 40 FPS, frame per second. And then create a class or classes for cut sprites. And then create a set of four cards. Show a set of cards in the scene. Yeah, task for today. Okay, I will uh, do screenshot for you. Right? Okay, then you can not now. Okay, number one, mind map, and then task number two for your checklist. Okay, please share your screen again. Task number two. Okay. Okay. Now my turn to share my screen again. Okay. Good. Okay. Uh, checking qualification. Okay, creating classes, the basic of my game. Okay, let's see one by one. How to set the background color? How can specify the color? Okay, we can use this code our okay to create scene with 500 height times 500 width. Yeah, we can use display the set mode, and then you need to store the code in the window variable, and then you can fill the background using specific color, HB color. Use this code. Yeah, window means the display, the scene, dot fill color. And then for update the content, we can use pygame display update. Yeah, pygame dot display dot update. And then for create a game timer, we can use pygame time clock. Make sure that the C should be uppercase. Yeah, you need to create the code and then put inside the clock variable. You can use another variable, but it should be inside the variable, yeah. And then for set the scene refresh rate, we can use the variable dot tick like that. Okay, about RGB calculator, red, green, blue. Okay, we have learned about this game loop game like this, yeah. Does the game keep running? Uh, if the game still running, we will go here, refresh the scene, and then should then press it. Okay, just doing loop. And if you go to the conditional here, does the game keep running? If there's no, the game will stop, just like that. Okay, game loop for the scene with background. Game loop put here and then set the frame rate to 40 FPS. Update the scene by game display update. Class. Getting class. Okay, we can skip this part. Inheritance. Yeah. Derived class, superclass. Class A is nested within class B. Right? Okay, so A have properties and methods from the superclass, and then the specified properties and methods that B uh, doesn't. Yeah, there is no in property and method in B. Okay, list like uh general variable, but you can put a value more than one. Yeah, you can use square bracket, and then for separate the value, you can use comma. And how we display the value, just put the index. Yeah, index starting by zero in Python. Okay, if we write results zero here, it will display 181. Okay, I will ask our how do we print this value? How we can print this value? 178. What should we do? Hello, Aurora. Can you hear me?
Oh, I was muted.
Yeah. How?
How can we what?
Display this value.
Display? Oh, uh, I forgot, but we need to show the number three. Oh yeah, results
Yeah.
three.
Result 3. Okay, good. Okay, and then declare an empty list. Uh, add an item. At the end of the list, we can use append, and then checking is Johnson in participant, you can use this code. And then for sorting data, for looping, and then determining the length of the result list. Okay, let's go for the template for the Kim fast clicker. Ah, okay. The first one, we need to connect Pygame module, of course. So that we should do like, wait, import Pygame. Okay. And then don't forget to run the Pygame module, pygame.init. Okay, like this. Create background object, we can use like this. Okay.
Okay.
Fill the scene with color. Create game timer. Uh, okay. And then game loop. Uh, okay. Let's see. Yes, remember? Or any questions for Aurora that you didn't
Oh,
understand?
no.
No. Okay. Let's start to code the scene first. Okay, I will send the code to you. Okay, now your turn to share your screen. Okay.
Okay. Wait,
Hmm.
it's not loading. But, so, okay nih.
There.
Oh, import
My game.
my game.
Yeah.
My game
Mm-mm.
dot dot my game dot init,
Not in it.
and I'll
Yeah.
do
Don't
this.
forget the parentheses.
Okay. Wait, see. Eh, wait.
Any problem, Aurora?
Wait. Import my game back equals to provide to Dah.
Okay, try to run your code.
Salah. Oh,
Okay, good. Uh, can you change the color, Aurora?
yes. What
Okay,
about this? Yeah.
your program is running.
Oh,
Okay, okay, okay. I will continue to explain the materials.
okay.
Wait. Okay, now let's talking about the card sprite. Yeah. Okay, according to the terms of reference, we need to create sprite cards, rectangular area, and the text. Yeah. Okay, this one is for picture. Yeah. Mm, a rectangular area can be either colored or without color. Yeah. Rect property and image property. Okay. If we see the flow chart like this, we can use a text area class, a colored rectangle with a label. It was implemented for the last project. Yeah. Question and answer. Area class. It can be used in other projects as well. Okay. Label class, image class, a rectangle with a picture, a colored rectangle with a label. Right. Okay, let's use this idea in fast clicker. Okay, area class. In area, we describe the rectangular area. It can be an independent sprite or the frame of a more complex object. If you can see like this area class, there are two branches, constructor and the method. For the constructor, area type rect and then rectangle fill color, yeah, and so on, blah blah blah. For the methods, we can add set a new current color and then draw a rectangle in the given color and then make a color frame. Yeah, this one is optional. Okay, let's see the code. Okay. You just need to put this code. Yeah, it can be an independent sprite or the frame of a more complex object. Yeah, this one is for the constructor. We set the x, y, width, height, and the color. Yeah, it like for the scene. Yeah, in Python we start the x and y coordinate 0 at the top left. Yeah, and then x and y means the coordinate. Let's say we will set the coordinate here. For example, just for the example. Yeah, this one for the x, and then this one is y. And then you put the square here. This one is for the width. Yeah, width, and then height. Yeah. And then the color you will set it. Yeah. Subtract pi give rect. Yeah. Make rectangle. X, Y with height we get from the parameter. And then we fill the color with color here. Okay. Def color, new color. Subfill color using new color. If we update the color. Okay. And then we create the rectangle in the scene. This one is scene name. Yeah. MW. And then using fill color that we set here for the rectangle here. Yeah. And then for the outline, it's same aura. Yeah. We using same code for the fill and outline. So it should be like this. Yeah. For the outline, actually is just a square, and then you put uh, one more square like this. For example, so you will got the outline here. Uh, outline the scene, frame color, and then for the thickness of this part, thickness. Okay, start to type this code. Where you should put the code, it should be above the game loop. Yeah, so you should put the code here. Oh wait, okay. And if you run this code, there is nothing happen because we only define the class area. We don't create the object yet. Yeah, just put it. Wait, I will make a square so you can clearly put the code here. Okay. Okay. You turn to share your screen again. Can you share your screen, Aurora? Number nine. It should be nah. Okay, and then okay. Okay. Still incorrect. Yeah. Check carefully, yeah. This part, this line. I mean, check again. You miss a little thing. Yeah. Ah, okay. Then okay. If you run the code, there is nothing happen because we only create the class area. Okay. I will stop this screen. Okay. I will start my screen again out. Mm, wait. Okay. Let's continue to create card sprites. Yeah. Okay. Working with the text, we can use Pygame font like this, or we can use Pygame font SYS font, yeah, system font. Yeah. If you use this code, uh, it will like bold, italic, underline, and so on instead. And if you use system font, you can use like Times New Roman, Calibri, and then Tahoma, like in Microsoft Word, just like that. Okay, for the nut size 70, yeah. But you just create the font and then you put the into variable. So we don't display it yet. And then uh, create a text label in the text color with the Verdana font and size and Verdana font and size font size. You can combine like this, yeah. By game font system font dot render the text and then it should be true. Uh, this one is for the visibility. You want the text is displayed use. So you just need to write true. The text color. You can use RGB color. Uh, in here, the text still not display, yeah, it's not appear because you just put into image variable how to display it. Okay, but before we go to display the the font, okay, how can you display the text in the center of the card? We can use shifting, yeah. So based on the card, wait, yeah, based on the card, we get the point here, yeah, the x and the y, and then we add the shift, yeah, shift x, shift y, and then we get the text location, yeah, text coordinates, x plus shift x, y plus shift y. Okay, okay, next. Now, creating and display a card, okay. Creating a color based on the card, okay. We skip this part. Mm-mm. How do I display kick on random card? We can use random. Yeah. Uh, we can use rand in from 0 to 3. Yeah. Cards num because this start with 0. So we need to put rand in from 0 to 3, not 1 to 4. Okay, because list start with 0. Okay. Create the empty card list and then input the number of num cards 4. Yeah, because the cards 4 and then set the starting value of x. Yeah, starting point. The first card. Okay, X. Uh, for I in range num cards, because we have four cards, so the code will loop four times. Create a new yellow card, set the click text, and then add the card to the list. Increase the X coordinate by 100. Okay. Uh, for the display other cards, we can use for card in cards like this. Card the draw. Draw. Which one? Oh, yeah, sorry. This one is class area, not the text. Sorry. Uh, we use card draw 10, 30. Label class. Which one label class? Oh, there is no code. Okay, you can copy this code from here. Wait, label area. This one. Okay, I will put the code here. Class area. Oh, sorry. Div throw. And then you can add the color. For example, oh, also for this one. Hmm. The algorithm as same as here, Aurora. This one. Get an empty card list, input the number, and so on. Yeah. And then for the within the cards here. Uh, okay. Let's see. Well, oh, sorry, my bad. Nah, I think the field is too large. Okay, I will start to run again. Nah, okay, yeah. Okay, let's start to type the code. We go to the label area. Okay, I will. Okay. Nah, okay, the first code. And then the second code. Yeah. Yeah, just that Aurora. Okay, now you turn to save screen again.
I think, wait, is this okay? Huh?
Mm-mm. There are two
Wait.
screenshots that I sent to you.
Okay, hold on. Where?
What? The screenshot?
No, I mean, where do I put it?
You should can you share your screen?
Oh yeah, lupa.
Okay, you just need to see this red square and then see the top and below the red
Oh
square.
yeah.
Your program is running.
Okay.
Yeah, the second picture, you did it right. For the
Um,
second picture,
eh, for in card. Eh, hilang. In card. Wrong. 10, 30. Okay.
For the first picture,
Go
class label, class label.
class label.
Yeah,
Hold on. Eh, card, card, and card, card. What?
screenshot before this. Yeah, picture before this code.
Mm,
A lot of code. Yeah, class label, and then define the color yellow, the blue, and then create card list.
Okay. Oh, oh, right.
Yeah, put the code below class area and then above while true.
So also here,
Yeah.
class label.
Mm-mm. 3 minutes enough?
Yes, I think.
Okay. If you can finish, you can do it as your homework. Yeah.
Okay. Hah? Di sini? Malah. Oh, take it. Mm, oh, okay.
Okay. I think enough. Just
Okay.
Okay, I will send the screenshot first to your WhatsApp so you can type it. Wait,
Okay.
Aurora. Okay, got it?
Yes.
Okay, I will stop your share screen. All right. Okay, just type the code for your homework, and then
Yes.
we can start for the part two next week. Yeah. If you don't type it, we can continue to the part two. Yeah. Okay, so
Okay.
please type it. Okay, thank you for today. We will meet again on next week. Yeah, Aurora.
Okay.
Okay, see you. Bye bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Okay.